So you've come across Boomleo.Shop and are wondering if it's the real deal or just another online scam. Well, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into the facts, red flags, and user feedback to help you decide if Boomleo.Shop is worth your time if you should steer clear. Quick disclaimer before we begin, everything in this video is based on publicly available information and personal opinion. Boomleo.shop has been making waves with its seemingly tempting offers. The website looks professional and the products appear to be high quality. But there are some concerns to consider. Trustpilot reviews for Boomleo.shop are pretty sparse with no significant ratings or verified reviews to go on. Additionally, a few red flags have been raised. The website seems new and unregistered, and there's little to no social proof or detailed information about the company. No other reputable review websites back up its claims either. Boomleo.shop isn't necessarily a scam, but the lack of solid reviews and transparency is concerning. If you're planning on buying, it's wise to proceed with caution. Consider doing more research or looking for reviews from trusted sources before handing over any payment details. Have you shopped at Boomleo.shop before? Let us know what your experience in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews.